Here's how you can simply reset your YouTube feed. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with the video. So sometimes YouTube might keep on recommending you content that you no longer want to watch. And this is usually because of your history or the type of content you've watched. So it might recommend you content it thinks you like. So maybe you want to reset your feed and want to find new spicy and fresh content. So this is how you can simply and easily reset your YouTube feed. So first up, what you're going to do is that you're going to click on your profile, which should be at the bottom right of your screen, right over here. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this page, and as you can see, here's all my history right over here. So this history is the one that makes YouTube know what type of content to recommend you. So what you're going to do now is that you're going to click on the gear tool at the top right of your screen. So click on this gear tool right over here. Once you do that, scroll down and find the option that says manage all history. So it should be this one right over here. Click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this page right over here. And then what you can simply do is that you want to, or rather what you want to simply do is that you want to delete your history. So click on the delete option right over here. It should be at the right side of your screen. Click on this delete option. And then what you're going to do is that you want to select delete all time. So select on delete all time. So then YouTube is then going to confirm with you if you really want to delete your all-time history. So click on the delete to confirm the deletion of your all-time history. So click on delete. Once you do that, it has successfully deleted your history. So click on got it. Then you can simply go back. If I refresh this, as you can see, I don't have any history. If I go over to my home page right over here, then as you can see, it has completely changed my feed. So that's how you can simply reset your YouTube feed. So if you found this video helpful or if you enjoyed it, please do leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in future tutorials.